2 bolts.
So it's just a punch, take that out, and then replace this bracket here.
Yeah. No, hang on. No. Without removing it, you just get a punch.
Yeah.
And what you're doing is you're hitting one of these. See
Oh,
this?
yeah.
One goes forward and one goes back. Yeah,
so
you can always just bend it back.
Yeah.
Or to replace it, you undo these 2 bolts.
Yeah.
It's like a square pattern underneath, so it locates.
Yep.
They'll drop out. You can remove it and just replace it. Easy to do.
Yeah.
You just hit that, do you?
Yeah, it gets bent all over.
Yeah. I think she said she split when it was in the rain. Alright.
Yeah.
That'll be alright.
So it's just a matter of hitting.
Yeah.
I can still.
I just put a screw. I had a piece of cord in there, so I could lift it when I went near trees, because I knew there was something. See, this should be about this width near the wheels, I reckon. Wonder if they'll ever do that, redesign it and just cut it down to there.
I've had people cut them down.
Have they? Is it better? No.
Each to their own.
Oh, I don't know. I've got no idea.
If you run without it, the grass just goes everywhere. So
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
yeah.
And if it's too cut,
If you remove this
pin.
spring washer
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
this pin comes out.
Yeah.
But just this is spring loaded, so it's just going to come up, and then you could probably get better access to it.
Yeah.
Right,
It's
easy
still
to do.
touching the motor. That's all I'm worried about, isn't it? That there.
Oh yes, just the cover. That's
Yeah,
all.
it's not going to harm it.
No, it's not going to harm it. But
They're
I
awesome
can feel
motors.
this bent.
Whoever makes these motors are awesome. And there goes the guy that fixes the Ride On Mowers. So that was cool.